Clarity, what are you doing?
I'm getting this on because it's cleaning up the whole ocean. Not the ocean. I can play go karma.
Awesome. I can't wait to go with you. Me too.
So we're recycling stuff and we're just creating good karma. Oh yeah, see the bag. There's barely any trash yet. I found another one right there.
Good work. Put it in your bag.
Mama, I told you not to videotape.
I'm-
It's like an Easter egg hunting.
Yeah, pretty much.
Food that you picked up. Ah.
No, it's not. That's trash.
I know, well, it had nothing in it. So, yeah. My water
Good
shoes
job,
are
Claire.
too slippery. They slipped off of me. Trash.
Yes, they are.
Blow balloon. Oh.
It is like Easter egg hunting. Good job, Claire.
Ooh, a can. I knew I was going to find a can. It's really strong.
Good work, baby.
Can I do? Give me a. Look at it, it's gum. This.
That's trash.
Trash.
What? You don't want what? The gloves? We need those.
Look how full mine is. No, you put you.
Looking good.
Flash over here.
You're doing such a good job, sweetheart. I'm proud of you.
I'm trying to get what I want, everything I really needed. Like that LOL house. I'm trying to get that.
Yeah.
LOL house that can whenever you went up there on a house, you got an LOL house handy whenever you do paper. Get off videotape and I'll clean up. They're on the ground and then he floated. So that's what. More slime. I missed you, Crash. I was seeing this in the car thing. This is definitely trash. I got more trash than anybody. Hold this.
Okay.
It's candy. That's where's my Oh, a plastic water bottle. Look how much. I'm bigger than anybody in this room. Okay, I think that's
That's not trash, I don't think. What are we doing here?
I have feet that are hurting.
No, what are we doing at the beach?
Oh,
What do you want to do?
We're cleaning up the beach.
Yes, we are. Wait.
That's my dad.
Thank you. What's your name? Oh, it's Finley.
Oh, one of my students in my class is named Finley. Oh, he's so cute.
How old is he? He's really small. He's only 9 weeks, guys.
Burning. Ah, puppy wuppy. Ah, puppy wuppy. Ah, puppy wuppy. Ah, puppy wuppy. This is when I get sad. I play with this. This is getting easier.
Come on, Claire, it's time. No, don't touch
Oh,
dead.
don't touch it.
Don't touch anything that's dead, okay? Just Clarity. Here you go. You can put that in the trash.
I didn't throw away
Yeah.
with you. Wait,
Right here.
Okay, I'm gonna go back to the car, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. My kids used to do that when they were little too.
Wait, I get a soda. I'm like,
I know, that's Starbucks.
I said you're welcome to her because she said thank you. Can I be first this time?
Yeah.
Mama. Are you trying to get this on shawl or something?
Yeah.
Da, I want to talk to mommy.
So tell me, girls, how does it feel to clean up a beach?
Feels good.
What makes you feel good about?
Nothing. Because we're creating good karma. Because two people said, good work, girl, and thank you for doing that.
That's true. It's very nice.
And she said, my kids used to do that when they were little. So, yeah.
So the kids are probably a lot bigger now.
I am creating good karma.
Correct. How do you feel, Claire,
Sense.
about cleaning up the beach? Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm not Claire.
I said Jules.
No, you said Claire.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you
Okay,
did.
I did.
Okay, watch the video.